Vietnam street food is a symphony of flavors and history, deeply rooted in its rich cultural tapestry. Travelers embarking on this culinary journey should begin with a hearty bowl of pho, a dish that finds its origins in the early 20th century, blending French and Vietnamese influences. In Hanoi, banh mi stalls offer a delicious fusion of ingredients owing to colonial history, with crisp baguettes filled with meats, pate, and fresh herbs. Than, a local vendor, shares his secret. A pinch of love and patience is the key to his sought-after banh xeo, a crispy pancake that has delighted locals for generations. To experience Vietnam's street eats authentically, explore bustling night markets where chefs passionately share their stories of tradition and innovation.